So Beverly asks, why is insurance still requesting a COC on a Geyser installation if the COC does not have to be registered with the Plumbing Institute? Okay, so I'll half answer the question and then Glenn can properly answer it. Okay, so my take on it is the insurance companies that we use are not insisting on it. Okay, that we generally use. Sometimes we take over a policy and we're forced to use the insurance company that's not up to speed with the latest legislation. I am aware that there's still one or two insurance companies that we don't work with that are asking for it. Okay, Glenn, but the ones we work with are not bothering. Do you want to comment on that?
Mike, my 5 cents worth, and it's my opinion, more so than anything written down in law. It's probably because those insurers don't have the relationships that they probably should have with their contractors or their plumbers, and they use it as a get out of jail card. That if the plumber has issued it, they somewhat feel safe by the fact that it has been issued. Whether it even says compliant or non-compliant or whatever the case might be, I think they use it as a vehicle to try and keep a standard of installation. And I think there have been some good points to the COC. Please don't take it that it is bad in any way, in any fashion. It has improved the standard of installations in many aspects. I just think the manner in which it was brought about and the manner in which it was conducted perhaps just scratched people the wrong way. But they did it, and why they're asking for it today is so that they can keep perhaps a less personal relationship and use it as a get out of jail card to promote the fact that, the installation is done correctly.